Move on now. I had a chat with the investor Mohnish Pabrai. He spoke on a range of issues, from his portfolio investment, India being a good investment as well, his relation with the late Charlie Munger, and why crypto space is not for him. Let's listen in to an excerpt of that exclusive conversation I had with him.
I think that, and I had a lot of discussions with Charlie on this in the last few years, is I have, in more than a quarter century of investing, I have the most bizarre portfolio one can imagine today. So about half the money, close to 40-50%, is invested in Turkey in 3 stocks. Another 25% or so is invested in the coal industry in the United States, and we have a little bit in India, and basically, I think that I've never had this kind of a unusual concentration. But I also feel with what we own that basically don't need to do much for a while. So I find in general the U.S. markets, which is where I spend the most time, to be either fully priced or overpriced. It's not a problem to identify great businesses in India. I find that it is a problem to find them at attractive valuations. I think the area that in India that might be very fertile might be small caps and mid caps, but one would really need to be in the country all the time and, poring over those, one business at a time and kicking the tires. So I don't see as much opportunity amongst the larger Indian businesses, but I do believe that India Inc. Will do extremely well. Long crypto, I'm not short crypto. I don't care what happens to crypto. It's really irrelevant, So my focus is on the businesses that I do have an interest in, that we do have money invested in, and so on. So there are lots and lots of areas of the market that I would be completely incompetent on, and that's perfectly fine.
Well, you can catch this very exciting conversation that I had with Mohnish Pabrai later today at 4:30 p.m.